Hi everyone, welcome to Virtualtweak. On today's episode, try Linux on Windows the simple way. You can find all the software links in my weblog, which is virtualtweak.com. You can send me an email. My email address is virtualtweak@gmail.com. Welcome everybody to Virtualtweak. If you want to try Linux and you don't want to go through whole installation process or downloading multiple ISO images just to try it out Linux, then I found a free web service that you can use to access Linux desktop, and so you can try it out, and I will show you how to access this service and familiar with yourself with Linux. So let's get started to run Linux under Windows from a web service. At first I'm going to start Firefox, then I'm going to go to a website and it's called nomachine.com. As you can see, nomachine already set up some Linux servers for us, and you can log into their server and access their Linux desktops under Windows. Now all of their services are paid service, but you can try it out for free, but I'm going to use another website to access their web server for free, and I will show you how can you access their server and try it out Linux desktop under Windows. In order to access their service, we have to use a silent from nomachine or a software from nomachine, but I'm going to download and install that software, but I'm not going to use that software to access their service. So at first go to nomachine.com, click on download, go down a little bit, and as you can see it says NX Silent Desktop Edition, and this is free, so choose Windows from this list. Click on Windows and click on NX Silent for Windows again, and click on download package, and I'm going to click on OK. Now it is going to download. This is a very small file, so once you download this package, install this package. So double click it and click on yes, and it will install in your desktop or with Windows. I already installed nomachine desktop silent, as you can see. So if I double click it, but I'm not going to use this desktop silent to access nomachine.com servers, because it is a paid service, and I'm going to use another web site to access their servers for free. So just download and install this silent on your Windows, and I'm going to close this, and I'm going to go to a website called cosmopod.com. Now I'm going to use cosmopod.com, their service, to access nomachine.com Linux servers, because I can access their service from cosmopod.com, and it will be totally free. Cosmopod.com, as you can see, and we will need an account to access their web server, and click on free sign up. It is totally free. Write down your username and password, your email address, and click on register. So once you set up your account, go to cosmopod.com again, or click on download over here and download this desktop login service over here. Just click on this desktop link and save it to the disk, save it to your hard drive. So we are all set up to access Linux desktop. Let me remind you again, at first download and install desktop silent from nomachine, and download and install the free one, free desktop silent from nomachine. So I already downloaded and installed desktop silent from nomachine, and here it is. And then go to cosmopod.com and sign up for a sign up for an account, free account, and download their web silent, desktop silent. And this is the desktop silent I downloaded from cosmopod.com. It says cosmopod.nxs. So this is the desktop silent I downloaded from Cosmopod, and I already signed up for a free user account. And then double click on the Cosmopod NXX to launch the username and password window, and it will ask you for the username and password. So when you sign up for the free account in cosmopod.com, write down your username and password. I'm going to write down my password and click on login. And now Cosmopod is connecting to the Linux desktop servers to show you the Linux desktop on your Windows. Once you log in with your username and password, you will see this desktop. This is Linux desktop running KDE window manager. For me, it is the best thing to try it out before installing Linux. If you are a new user Linux like me, or you want to see how Linux works and how it looks like, then this is the best option without downloading an ISO image or booting from the ISO image if you don't know how to do that. So this is the Linux desktop, and it has already installed many open source softwares, and all of the softwares are divided into categories. For example, this is the Linux internet category, this is office category, and this is the games category. So you can try it out, all this software. And let me tell you one more thing, it may be slow because we are using internet connection, so the desktop speed is depending on your internet connection. Let me try it out, some of the software for you. First I'm going to run Firefox, so click on this icon, Firefox icon. Now, so this is the Firefox for Linux, and as a regular Linux desktop, you can minimize a window, you can maximize a window, you can close a window, and let me play one game for you. I'm going to click on this game. You can play any game you want. You can try it out. Open Office. I'm going to run Open Office Writer, that is equivalent to Microsoft Word. As you can see, you can run try it out any software you want over here. And now if you want to see the control panel, click on this icon. So these are the control panel options available for us, but as I told you earlier, this is not complete Linux distribution, and you can access some of the control panels over here. So I'm going to click on background. You can change the desktop and play with it. So this is the Linux desktop. You can try it out without installing any Linux distribution, and feel free to try it out, and it is totally free. You can find all the software links in my weblog, which is virtualtweak.com. You can send me an email if you need any help or any suggestions. My email address is virtualtweak@gmail.com. Please add yourself to Virtualtweak Frapper map, and thanks everyone for watching. I will see you next time.